The weight standards are calibrated using analytical balances. The weighing operation is carried out using the conventional technique of bracketing the reading of the subject weight with two readings of known mass. Mass calibration is performed in a lab with consistent temperature and humidity control to ensure the weights and instruments are stabilized before and during measurement. Although the term weight is used in practice, it is actually the mass in grams or milligrams that is determined by reference to a standard that is ultimately traceable to national international bodies. Cerulean mass standards are calibrated by labs that reference to the National Physical Laboratory standards. National Physical Laboratory in the UK has a standard kilogram that has been compared to the international prototype of kilogram. Weights must always be handled with greatest care. Gloves should be worn whenever practicable. Tweezers, forceps, or other specialist lifting devices should be used whenever practicable to pick up weights and manipulate them inside the balance. It is important that these tools have no sharp edges and should, when possible, not have metal-to-metal contact with the weights. Weights should be stored in a manner that protects them from damage or contamination and allows them to be easily identified. So we recommend a box with special cut foam inside.